What's your question?
Hey, Bones, it's Sadie. Why do we burp?
Excellent timing, Sadie. Here's your burping 101. We burp because we swallow air when eating, drinking, and talking, and it needs to get back out. Our stomach doesn't just digest food, it also traps swallowed air. As the gas builds up, it creates pressure against the stomach walls. The pressure triggers a reflex that lets air escape through our throats. As the air rushes out, it vibrates the surrounding tissue, producing the classic... Pardon me. Thanks, stomach. Burping is a natural way for our bodies to get rid of that extra gas. Everyone burps. Your mom, your dad, your neighbor, even newborn babies. Long live the burp!